Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class, and our chapter going on is chapter 8, journal, and what we are dealing here with is the treatment of some special transaction without GST. So in the previous class I taught you about the banking transaction, several type of the banking transaction, and at the same time we solved one example also. Today we will continue that treatment of some special transaction, and today our point is goods given as charity or goods donated. Charity means दान में देना. So whenever you provide goods on charity, it is reduced by with the amount of purchases. Clear? With the value of the goods given as charity or donation, the purchases are reduced because goods are not meant for sold. So following journal entry is passed. Clear? So whenever you do charity, the amount of purchases is reduced by that amount. Clear? Whenever you do the charity, from the goods purchase, it is treated as stock. So out of the stock, if you have provided charity from that amount only or from that goods, the purchases is reduced by that amount. And even if you have paid GST on that, GST will be adjusted for the amount of charity done by you. Why purchases are reduced? Now the question arises, why purchases are reduced? So simple answer is that you are buying goods for the purpose of resale. So that is why when you are purchasing raw material, the purchase account is debited. Now, out of that goods you are doing charity. Charity is not a commercial transaction. So it is reduced by that amount. Clear? See how it is done. Clear? Why purchases are reduced? Because charity is not commercial activity. Charity is not commercial activity, so you have to reduce the stock by that. And at the same time, if you are paying GST, you have to adjust GST accordingly. Example, see, goods purchased worth rupees 10,000, and out of that rupees 2,000 worth of goods is given as charity. Clear? Now the question arises, calculate the amount of stock left with you or make an accounting treatment. If you are going to make an accounting treatment of that, so what entry will be passed? First we will debit purchase account, debit 10,000 to supplier. Being the goods purchase. Now out of that you have done the charity. So charity oblique donation account, debit to purchases account. Worth rupees 2,000. Write down the narration, being the goods given as charity. In this way treatment is done. Now the stock left with you is with amount to 8,000. Clear? Now see, one journal is given to you. Example number 7. Record the following transaction in a journal. Withdrawn goods costing rupees 5,000 for personal use. So what entry will pass? Drawing accounts debit to purchase account, being the goods withdrawn for personal use. Goods costing 500 given as charity. So charity account debit to purchases account. Write down the narration, being the goods given as charity. Third, a check of rupees 5,000 received from Rajiv was deposited into the bank returned dishonored. Clear? So here the exceptional rule of the personal account will apply, that is debit the debtor and credit the creditor. Clear? See our next topic, number 5, distribution of goods as sample. Sometimes goods are distributed as sample to encourage sales. It is a part of advertisement expenses. Hence, it is debited to advertisement account or samples account and deducted from purchases account. Journal entries advertisement / sample account debit to purchases account. Generally, it is given in pharma sectors, medicines. If any of your parent is doctor, you will get several type of free medicine. Why? Just to promote that. We got several sample from the publisher to promote their book. So that is called distribution of goods as sample. Now see how journal entry is passed. See first transaction. Withdrawn goods costing rupees 5,000 for personal use. So your first entry will be drawings account debit to purchase account. Clear? The amount is 5,000. The amount is 5,000. Write down the narration being the goods taken for personal use. Clear? Now we will proceed for second transaction. Goods costing rupees 500 given as charity. Okay. So charity account debit to purchases account. Amount is rupees 500. Clear? Write down the narration being the goods given as charity. Clear? See the third transaction. A check of rupees 5,000 received from Rajiv was deposited, returned dishonored. So here the exceptional rule of personal account will apply. So what is that personal rule? Exceptional, debit the debtor and credit the creditor. So here Rajiv is still a debtor. So Rajiv debit to bank account. Amount is rupees 5,000. Write down the narration being the check returned dishonored. Next, distribution of the goods as sample. So here it's a example that rupees goods worth rupees 3,000 given as free sample. Clear? So account debited will be advertisement account samples account debited to purchase account 3,000. Clear? Write down the relation being the goods given as free samples. In this way, journal entries are passed. Clear? I hope this will help you. Just solve more and more numerical. In the next class, we will study some more terms or treatment of some special transaction of journal. Thank you. Happy learning.